God bless the people over at Hilltop Cafe.
Yep.
They're going to be there tonight. Dickie, what song are you going to do for us?
I'm going to do one I wrote with Trent Willman called On a Boat.
Okay. Dickie Kaiser, you can see him tonight. Starts at 7 o'clock. And by the way, that's a dynamic mic, so however you want to work that, it's a little bit different than a regular studio
His
mic.
voice is so big, you may not even get it.
Well, yeah. He might take my job here. So
Well,
go
wait
ahead.
a minute, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning and it's oak season, so
All
you know,
right.
dynamic is a good word.
All right. Go ahead, Dickie.
You said goodbye, said I lost my mind. I went and sold off everything I own. Used to ride on a train down to the boneyard by the bay, put it on a whim, on a boat. She was rough, so was I. All we both needed was time, a little fixing up and patching holes. Pretty soon left the shore, charted out a course on my way over you on a boat. No matter where I go, from Maine to Mexico, I know I'm free. And if you cross my mind, I'll just pull up that anchor line and set out to sea. This old hunter wouldn't mean, yeah. Sailors say, I agree, there's just something about the sea. That old salt is strong enough to heal your soul. Look at me, I've come so far, I can weather any storm. All in all, still afloat on a boat. No matter where I go, from Maine to Mexico, I know I'm free. And if you cross my mind, I'll just pull up that anchor line and set out to sea. This old hunter wouldn't mean, yeah. If you care, if you don't, if you ever want to know, I'm okay off the coast on a boat, on my way over you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. I wasn't sure if he was in love with his boat or he was missing a gal or what it was. Jeez, that must be one good looking boat there.
Man, it's not hard to be in love with a boat, I'm just saying.
That is awesome. Jimmy Buffett ain't got nothing on you, man. Jeez.
How about that
Wow.
big old boy?
Yeah.
You don't need a microphone.
No, don't. I'm like, I have the mic kind of working the mic. He's like, whoa! Wow.
And I even tried to lean back a little bit.
That was freaking awesome.
It's gonna be
man.
fun tonight, man.
Yeah, definitely. As Hilltop Cafe, unfortunately, we run out of time. I don't know if you have a quick little ditty for us. We got like a minute.
Okay, I'll do a piece of the. I'll just do a piece of a thing, Kojo's song. This thing I wrote with Cody. First song I wrote with him.
All right.
Or second song. Yeah, that's my old girlfriend. I saw her when she walked in. Her hair's a little longer, but she's still looking stronger than sin. Well, I don't care if you buy her a drink. She's not the kind of girl you think. Off the back when we were loving, she thought cowboys were something now they ain't. Oh, she's overbuckled, she's overspurred. For her, you're just a heartache in a pearl snout shirt. And that's so let go for the last time. Oh, she ain't just over me, she's over being my kind. She ain't just over me, she's over being my kind.
Nice, nice. Are you saying that women think I'm a heartache in a pearl snap shirt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
David Lee, give us a quick rundown tonight. What's happening?
7 to 9 o'clock. We're just north of Fredericksburg, 9 miles on 87 on the left-hand side. You can't miss it, top of the hill. Going to be some great music, some of the best food that I've eaten in the hill country.
So good.
It's absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
The chef there and Johnny, the whole staff, they're just great people. It's a fun place to go. And fellas, you want to take mom out on a date, I don't think you could have a worse or a better thing to do at all than to come out and see us tonight.
Hilltop Cafe, just north of Fredericksburg on 87. How do they keep up with you, Dickie, on social media? You got a website or something?